How to block someone on Instagram from seeing your story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to block someone on Instagram from seeing your story. It's quick, easy, and you can do it in just a few taps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the settings section, simply scroll down and there you can see the option labeled as hide story. So here, simply tap on it, and here you simply have to tap on the option labeled hide story from. And now here you simply have to select the people that you want to block from seeing your story. And here, once you have selected it, simply tap on done, and once you do that, they won't be able to view any of your stories. And that's it. That's how you can block someone from seeing your Instagram story without blocking them. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.